Hi everyone, I'm Shannon from the Ferntree Gully store, and today I'm going to be guiding you through some essential bits of kit to aid in snakebite prevention and preparation. If you love the outdoors as much as we do here at Tentworld, then you know that encountering snakes on your adventures is inevitable. There are around 140 different species of land snakes across Australia, so no matter where you are, it's likely that at some point in your life you'll come in contact with one. When it comes to snake bites, prevention is better than a cure, so here are two fantastic products that any avid adventurer needs in their collection. Gaiters! Gaiters are one of the best pieces of protective gear that you can have if you're bushwalking, and when worn with long pants and closed-in shoes, they dramatically reduce the likelihood of being bitten. Gaiters are a tightly woven fabric cover worn over the top of your pants, fastening under the foot and just below the knee. Currently, Cedar Summit offer the Quagmire Gaiter. This is the most densely woven, puncture-resistant gaiter currently made by Cedar Summit and provides at least 39 centimetres of coverage for your legs. While the use of gaiters can't ensure 100% effectiveness against snake bites, even on a very large snake, their fangs may only be about 12 millimetres. So a combination of long pants, boots and the Cedar Summit Quagmire Gaiters will give you added peace of mind while trekking and bushwalking.